Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is how do I access my email and how do I email my teacher. So I'm going to be showing you my email, so there's going to be stuff on there that you normally wouldn't have to access your teacher about. But once you go to office.com, which is right up here, you're going to have all of your apps on this side. And the one that's for your email is called Outlook. So you'll click on that. You'll want to check this every single day. I'm going to exit that, but you'll want to check this every single day and see what you have. And I have several emails here. But if I'm going to email my teacher, if I have a question, let's say I'm going to email Mrs. OKK. And I have a question about a lesson. This is how you would do it. You would say, Mrs. OKK, I have a question about English lesson something. Do you have either you ask your question here, or you ask, do you have time to meet before or after school? Or however you want to do it. This is just the way that you can do it. Or if you have a question about a test or something, thank you. And then, and you press send. Okay. And they'll email you back. And that's why you kind of need to check this every day, most of the day, kind of getting into the habit of doing that. So very easy to do. Just to hop onto Outlook, shoot a email, and then they'll respond when they can. Then you don't have to try and remember your question or wait until they're ready or what have you. So please utilize the email system. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions.